Welcome to Redline Review. A new definition of what it means to travel in style is presented by the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This futuristic motorhome combines Lamborghini's trademark Italian flair with cutting-edge luxury and performance. And it was designed for individuals who expect supercar DNA in every part of their lives. Plan and exterior design. In keeping with Lamborghini's long-standing tradition, the campervan has a daring and aerodynamic design that draws inspiration from the Aventador and the Revuelto. Its scissor-style entrance doors, powerful front fascia, Y-shaped LED lighting, and cutting lines all contribute to the distinctive Lamborghini adrenaline that shines through on the road. Even when it is parked, it gives the impression of speed since it is built with carbon fiber panels that are lightweight and active aerodynamics. Train of Power, a hybrid V12 engine that is linked with electric motors, is the source of power for the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. This engine generates more than 1,000 horsepower and is located under the hood, or rather, the floor. It is equipped with an all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, which enables it to give astonishing agility and stability, regardless of whether it is driving on the Autobahn or parked on the snowy slope of a mountain. When you get inside, you are welcomed by a combination of luxury that is inspired by racing and technology that is used in smart homes. Ambient LED lighting and color schemes that may be customized are included in the cabin, which also incorporates finishes made of carbon fiber and Alcantara. Among the most notable features are the following: a master suite that features a king-size bed and a panoramic roof, a fully equipped kitchen that features Italian marble countertops and smart appliances, and a panoramic roof, an augmented reality driving projection wall, a retractable OLED television, and surround sound make up the living lounge, a luxurious bathroom that features a rainforest shower, glass that can be manipulated by touch, and heated floors. Technology and characteristics. The Live Drive technology, which is exclusive to Lamborghini, is capable of providing voice-activated controls, terrain adaptability, and artificial intelligence-assisted route planning. It is possible to use the autonomous driving mode while traveling on the highway. Off-grid sustainability is achieved through the incorporation of solar panels into the roof, an onboard garage that is able to accommodate a relatively small electric Lamborghini scooter or electric bicycle, as well as the availability. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a limited production vehicle that is anticipated to begin at a price of $2.5 million. The Lamborghini Ad Personam program will allow for personalization of the vehicle. Delivery to a subset of customers is scheduled to start in the latter half of 2025.